struggling with getting around the art block, getting around the artist block, then this video is exact for you. Keep watching this video till the end. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Pashvika. Today I'm gonna talk about how to get around the art block, how to get around the artist block to work the way that you want to do it, or to do the art, or to finish the art the way you want to do it, or to live the life of your dreams. So begin with that. Every artist has different tips and tricks, different things to start getting around with the art block. I'm going to share only those tips and tricks that I have used in my personal life. I have experienced it and it gave me the results that I really wanted to. So I hope that it will also going to give you the results that you want, and you will be getting around the art block the way you really want it to be. So let's get started with this video. To getting around the art block, the first tip is inspiration. What I mean by inspiration, there are many artists that are posting on the social media platform, on Instagram or YouTube or Facebook or Twitter, many other platforms. They are posting their content and their artworks. You can watch their content, you can take the look what they are doing, how they are doing, and you can get inspired by that. And inspiration is really a key factor when you're starting around the getting art block and that, because you will get the exposure that what's going in this real world, real art world, who is doing and what is doing and how they are doing it. If they are doing in that way and you want to do it in certain different way, then you can do it, because if they are doing in their own way, then you can also do it. So inspiration is like a key asset when you're starting it, because if you don't have inspiration, you don't have the exposure of the environment or the exposure of your own niche, that is the art niche, then starting it really gonna be a little bit difficult without the inspiration. And I usually, when I get started, I also take the inspiration from Instagram, and amazing artists draw the portrait, the realistic portrait that inspired me, and then I started with the art block and all that, and now I'm here with this artist field. So inspiration is a key factor. Now move on to the second step that I have for you is planner. After getting the inspiration, now you need to start with a planner. I usually emphasize a lot in my videos about the planner because I know the role of the planner, and it helped me a lot because it helped me in maintaining my daily schedule of the videos or the artworks or the programs or all different things or my projects that I usually do in my art business. And to get started with the artist, to get started with the art block, planner is a big key asset. It doesn't mean that you need to buy an expensive planner or a fancy planner or a looking very magical or something like that. No, even if you don't have a planner, you can make a planner at home, or you can use even a single simple small piece of paper and to begin with, because starting with, you don't need fancy things. You can start with even a small stuff, and that really matters if you have the goal inside of you, if you are determined to do whatever you want to do it. So starting with a small tool, starting with a small piece of paper, rather than if you don't have a planner, is an important key asset. And then maintaining a schedule or planner daily, weekly or monthly basis, and then following all the things. And then when you go back and like 1 month back, 2 months back, or 1 year back, you can look at the way you have improved your things and the way you have reached till now so far, and how you have gone through all the stages. So that's why it's important. It's also boosts your mental power and also boosts your positive energy, because you know that you have achieved so much, and you can look at those things and you can say, I have achieved so much, so I can do whatever you want to. So that's the important part of the planner. So it will going to help you getting around the art block, getting around the artist block. Again, I'm sharing only those things that help me in my art career. So I think that it will going to help you. And if it's helping you, let me know in the comment section below what exactly it's helping you, so I'll make another video for that. And if you need any help regarding any art career, just comment down in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you, and I will make a separate video of the topics that you need for that. And also guys, I have my coaching program. If you want to get to the coaching program, then comment down below. I'll place the link for that also, so you can get access. On to the third tips that I have today is practice. Then you're getting with the inspiration, you are inspired, you have the plan, and now you need to start with the practice. You need to pick up a certain topic, certain type of artwork. It can be anything. It could be doodling, it could be realistic sketch, it could be painting, whatever you feel like drawing or whatever you love like drawing, because whenever you are getting inspiration from an artist, usually try to take that, okay, this artist is making such type of art, I love that art, I need to give it a try. So that's a key role of the asset of practicing, because eventually your first try won't be that good or that better than the another next try. So it's always practicing that makes the when perfect, as said by someone. So it's like a good, if you are practicing it, it will really going to get you around the art block, and you're really going to get the exposure experience that you need for your being an artist in that career. That being said, let's move on to the four tips that is in correlation with the practice. That's the knowing your own art style. This is the main big topic, and sometimes many artists face around this topic. They don't know their art style, they don't know which type of art they need to make, or which have the key assets which they would love doing. And it's usually many artists face this problem when they are initially starting it. So if you're also facing this situation and you want a separate video on this topic, let me know in the comment section below. I'll make the separate video for this topic also, or how to know your art style, how to get around your art style, and how to get familiar and start working on your own art style. So your art style, it's like usually when you are starting, you just need to experiment every different type of art style, because you are not familiar with the things that you like. You don't know what you like the most in art. So you need to try each and every type of art form to get familiar with that, to get exposure. And whenever you are drawing it, you just need to think inside that, is this type of art really correlates with me or not? If it is correlates with you, if it relates with you, if you make you happy, if you make you feeling love with the art, increasing your energy, then that's the art style you own. That gives you energy. If that's increases, boosted your energy, it gives you love more towards the art, and it helps you keep going, then that's your art style. Because usually when we are started up, we don't know, and I have been in your shoes, I also wasn't knowing, and then I experimented with all different types of art challenges, art things. And guys, if you want to know what different types of art challenges I have done, the link in the description box below, you can check out the different art challenges that I have done. I'll link if you're practicing and then you are doing all the things, then you will be able to eventually get to know that, okay, this art type I love the most, and I want to improve in this particular art type of artwork. So that's your style, and you need to keep doing it. Consistency is a main asset, along with having the patience, because if you're doing it and maintaining the consistency and patience, then you're gonna achieve the results that you want. So knowing your art style and then moving on with that path is a different thing, and you need to do both these things. Of course, there are many hurdles in that way, and you need to get through all over them. Yeah, I'm there to help you. If you need any help, let me know in the comment section below. And also, I have my coaching program. If you want my coaching program to get for you, or you want to access my coaching program, let me know in the comment section below. I'll send you the link. On to the last tips and trick I have today for get around the art blog. I just want to make sure that if you want to know more about the art content, more about the art related doses, and more about the artist related motivation, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't be missing out the future upcoming videos that I have for you in this artist blog. And it will really going to boost my energy, and I'll make your another sets of videos that really going to help you. So to boost my energy, just give it a click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's move on to the last tips that I have. Is valuing your artwork. It is also a separate topic, and if you want a complete video on this separate topic, let me know in the comment section below. I will make a separate video on that. But for that being said, for this video, I'll just introduce a little bit and then I'll end up this video. So valuing your artwork, what I mean by while you're starting with getting inspired, maintaining the planner, along with you are practicing and knowing your style, then you need to value artwork. You need to consider that I have gained a lot on these many days. I've started with the A, and now I have reached to D, C, and whatever, and I have reached the Dal, and I have gained some walls. So you need to value that. Yeah, congratulations that I have done that. If I can do that, I can do anything. I can do anything, whatever I really want to do it. So valuing your artwork is an important asset to keep going as an artist. If you're not valuing yourself, nobody will going to value you, and eventually in the process you will lose the confidence. You will going to lose the motivation, and then you won't be able to do, or you won't feel like doing anything related to art. So to keep going, to be consistent, to be patient before reaching the goal that you want to reach, you have to value your artwork in between. And the positive self-talk and congratulating yourself that I usually emphasize in my video is a main key asset that will going to help you in valuing your artwork, even though nobody is valuing your artwork. You don't need anybody consent. You don't need anybody's compliment. You yourself complimenting your work, that's a big journey. That's a big thing for you. Valuing yourself, you don't need anybody's compliment or appreciation. You are valuing your stuff. If nobody is appreciating, who cares? Who doesn't care? I am doing the thing that I really want to do it, and I love doing it. That's the thing I want. If nobody is caring, I don't care for. There will be the things, there will be the person in the future who will going to love your work, will going to stand for your side. So you don't need to figure about that. You just need to figure about what exactly meant for you, what exactly thing you love, and you need to pursue that. Be consistent on that. Have patience, and you will going to reach the goals you want to that. With that being said, if you want to watch the another videos that I have on this channel, I'll link the videos here in said, if you want to watch more videos of related to art, I have a link in the end screen. You can click on that and can watch the another videos of that. Till then, take care guys. See you in the next video. Bye.